In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Acuity scheduling in just about 5 minutes. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your appointment booking process, making it both straightforward and efficient for you and your clients. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate your way to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, locate the login button. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that to move to the next step. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take your time to type it in correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in the process. After you've entered your email, the next step is to click Next. This will take you closer to accessing your Acuity dashboard. Once you've clicked Next, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. Go ahead and click on that. This option provides a seamless way to log in using your Google account, making the process quick and secure. After clicking Continue with Google, you will be presented with a list of Google accounts, assuming you have more than one. Here you need to select the Google account you wish to use with Acuity scheduling. Choose wisely, especially if you have separate personal and business accounts. Once you've selected your Google account and successfully logged in, you're going to navigate to the scheduling page. This is a crucial part of the setup where you define your availability, services, and how you want your scheduling page to look to your clients. To start personalizing your scheduling page, you'll want to focus on its appearance. Find the appearance link, which will take you to the customization section. Here, Acuity gives you creative control over the look and feel of your scheduling page, ensuring it aligns with your brand identity. This customization can include changes like your preferred color scheme, adding your business logo, or adjusting the layout to match your style. Now for the fun part, making those necessary changes. Whether it involves tweaking the color palette to match your branding, uploading a professional logo to increase brand recognition, or modifying text for a personal touch, this step allows you to make your scheduling page truly your own. Remember, a visually appealing and brand-consistent scheduling page can significantly enhance the user experience for your clients, encouraging repeat bookings. After you've made all the desired changes to your scheduling page, ensure to carefully review everything. Once satisfied, you'll need to click on Save Changes. This is crucial as it ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste, saving all the adjustments you've made. This step finalizes the design process, making your personalized scheduling page ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a beautifully designed Acuity scheduling page, ready to make your booking process as smooth as possible for both you and your clients. Remember, the key to a successful scheduling page is not just in its aesthetics, but also in its functionality. Ensure your page is intuitive for users, clearly lists your services, and reflects your professional ethos. We've covered everything from logging in to customizing your scheduling page appearance and making sure those changes are saved. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards streamlining your appointment booking process, freeing up more time to focus on growing your business and satisfying your clients. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to design your Acuity scheduling in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Acuity or looking to refresh your existing scheduling page, I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, an efficient booking system is the cornerstone of any service-based business, and now you're well on your way to optimizing yours. Don't hesitate to experiment with different designs to see what works best for your brand and your clients. Happy scheduling!